I'm a boss, boss, boss. Baby, I'm a boss, boss, boss. Calling all the shots, shots, shots. Baby, I'm a boss, boss.
What's up? Well, today I'm alone in the house, as I am, and I'm gonna have to make my own lunch. And I decided today to make some. So one of my favorite pasta dishes is spaghetti, garlic, and olive oil. And it's delicious. I order in restaurants in Italy all the time and they make it fantastic. It's like one of my favorite dishes. And I'll show you what you're gonna need to make it if you're ever gonna make it at home. I'm gonna make it here and all you're gonna need is some parsley, some fresh parsley, garlic, of course, spaghetti. I got the number 5 spaghetti today. I like it a little fatter normally, but olive oil, some good olive oil, and some Parmesan cheese and Romano cheese. It's nice to grate it yourself. It's usually better if you grate it yourself, but I'm not in that position today, so I won't be grating it myself. But before I do that, I am going to go to the gym. Because I haven't done that all day. I usually do it in the morning and I feel like going to the gym, so I'm going to do that first. Then I'm going to come back down after the gym. I'm going to make my dinner, lunch, whatever it is, and I'm going to have that. Because it only takes just a few minutes to make. As long as it takes the pasta to boil is as long as it takes to make this stuff. But before I do that, man, I'm going to have a little Nespresso, a little latte, an almond milk latte. Almond milk in here, of course. I'm going to make an almond milk latte with my Nespresso machine. With, let me see, some, nice, vanilla flavored Nespresso capsule. So I'm going to do that. While I do that, I'm going to hit the gym right afterwards and I'll catch you guys later when I make my pasta for lunch. I know what you might be thinking, an almond milk latte before you go to the gym? How manly is that? But you know something? It tastes delicious. I like it. It's my vanilla Nespresso almond milk latte before I hit the gym. Do a little editing while I'm waiting for the energy to kick in, and then I'll go up there and have a little sweat. Oh, that's good. I love it always. I'm not much of a coffee drinker, as you can see. But when I do drink coffee, it affects me a lot, gives me lots of energy. And that's what I need right now. Because if I don't do that, I'll probably end up taking a nap instead. And the smelly cat comes down to see who I'm talking to. He doesn't know I'm talking to you. Well, the nice thing about having a gym in your house is you have a choice. Every day I come walking up here and I say, should I go out here and take a nap? Looks very inviting. Very inviting. But no, instead, I'll just go to the gym. I got everything I need over here. I got a bunch of free weights, body solid equipment. I got all kinds of gadgets. I got a cable, cross machine, a recumbent bike, of course, and a bench. And I got a Concept 2 rowing machine, treadmill, bodyguard. I've got all kinds of gadgets in here. So it's a pretty decent home gym. I certainly don't mind using it. And it's just convenient, conveniently located. Location, 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 as they say. And that's what it is. All right, well, I'm finished in the gym. Nice little sweat, enjoyed it. And now I'm going to start with the pasta. It's gonna be pretty simple stuff. Be right back to you. So basically, we're looking at some parsley, finely chopped, and some coarsely chopped garlic. some olive oil. We'll take the olive oil now and we'll put it in the pan. Ready to be cooked. A bunch of olive, actually probably a little bit more. We got the water ready to boil and ready for some garlic. Now just to point this out, because I didn't mention it. Number one, don't make the oil too hot. It's got to be hot enough because you don't want to brown or burn the garlic because it changes the taste and it's not nice. And don't ever put oil in your water when you're boiling pasta, unless you're boiling like linguinis or lasagna or whatever. But spaghetti, no, just put salt to your taste if you want, and that's it. And then warm the oil, not too hot, so the olive oil changes its taste, but just so it's hot enough to fry a little bit of garlic gently. And that's it. Ideally, what you want to do when you're cooking this stuff is you don't want to burn the garlic, of course. You want to get it the right consistency and you don't want to change the taste. And that's about it right now, is where it should be for me. And the magic ingredient to be able to stop this from cooking right now, be able to keep it the way it is, and to give it the best taste, is use some of the pasta sauce that you're using. Pour it in there carefully. All right, about maybe 1.5 ladle. That will help stop the garlic from frying, and it's going to give your pasta an amazing taste. Some people like to strain the pasta and do things like this. One thing you should never do, never rinse your pasta. Just strain it. If you're going to strain it, it's perfectly fine. Or you can do like I do. I just basically pick the stuff up, let the water run out. Because you know, you got the pasta juice inside the sauce anyway, right? Let the water drip off a little bit. I just put it right in here in the frying pan. Mix it about. It's really nice. Straight in the sauce right away. Totally awesome. Once it's cooked al dente, I just move it over. Just like that. And I mix it around. I put the parsley, I put Parmesan cheese, and that's it. It's totally awesome. You wouldn't believe how great this tastes. You wouldn't believe how great it smells right now. Amazing. Alright, so the plate basically looks like that when it's done. It's actually really good. Let me have a taste. Take another taste, see what it's like. Oh wow. That is so good. I'm gonna eat that whole thing. Seriously, that's fucking amazing. I mean, bloody amazing. That's it. Pasta, garlic, olive oil, chilies, and parsley. It's amazing. Hey folks, I just want to apologize for not actually showing you all the steps that it takes to make this pasta, because I could have showed you, but because this was last minute planning, my devices started to fail because the batteries were starting to go dead, and I had to keep switching devices, and then I came to this handheld GoPro, which left me with only one hand, because the other one's holding the GoPro. Amateur hour! I know what you're thinking, right? Bitch slap. But sorry, next time we'll do better.